Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network. Yes, I just showed one of these if you're looking at these videos sequentially. This is just a better version of what we already listed. This is the number 2 of a 1950s heavy cardboard GOETZ Country Club beer ad. It's depicting the first Pony Express ride in 1860 from St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California. If you are into Westerns, Brewmania, or Country Club beer, this is probably for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.